Hey Sammy fam, check out this beautiful pizza. Now, you might be like, why is this pizza green? Well, it's because, remember like 2 weeks ago I made that chicken sagwala or sagwala? I don't know how to say it. But it was a Indian spinach and chicken curry type dish. Well, I made a lot of it and I couldn't eat it all. And so I froze some, and now I'm using it as a pizza topping. That's why I have this green pizza and the cheese on it. Here we have, well, I had some leftover Parmesan Romano from my crab fettuccine the other day, which you might have saw that video. A little bit of that. I mixed it with some queso blanco. I thought that would go good with the flavors and the curry, and just a little bit of mozzarella. And then we did a fun little spiral of sriracha over this, and just on your regular pizza crust. See, look at that. People sometimes say like, "Oh, Sammy boy, you burnt your crust." I think this looks good. I just don't like a floppy pizza. I like my za to be nice and crispy with a thin crust, you know? But let's get into it. I'm very eager to taste it. It's like an Indian pesto pizza, and I love it. So garlicky, spinachy, because the original dish was made with pureed spinach, and I think that's lovely on pizza. I want to try more of that. And there's like cumin and cloves and other spices I don't remember the names of, because there were so many that went into making the curry that I'd never even used before, but it was fun. But like after they've mellowed and the spicy kick from, the garlic sriracha hot sauce, I love the garlic coming through. It's so good, and the cheeses work well with it too. I'm glad I used the queso blanco. I love thin crust so much. I'm sure there are places doing like Indian style pizza. Or mashups, I guess. But it definitely needs to be a thing because this tastes so good. There's so much depth of flavor to this like chicken and spinach sauce on here. It's so amazing. Like you wouldn't suspect that there's like cinnamon in it, but there is. But just the way that it all blends together, the Indian like palette of spices is beautiful and unique, and I'm so surprised at how well it works. Well, I think that's all I can do with that while still feeling okay about myself. So, thank you guys for watching. If you got some leftover Indian food, try putting it on a pizza. Or, if you're like me and you're inclined to try making some yourself, look up sagwala. Pretty easy to make. Takes a little bit, but it's fun. Little burpees. But it makes a damn good pizza topping too. Who knew? Now we both do. Or all of us. More burpees. Oh my. It's all spinach.